Welcome to this explainer. Reliable network storage is, well, it's absolutely foundational infrastructure for any small to medium enterprise. But let's be real for a second. Getting your hands on actual enterprise storage appliances from the major vendors usually carries some massive hardware and licensing costs. So today, we are looking at TrueNAS. It's a free, open-source network storage platform that does something pretty incredible. It literally transforms standard everyday hardware into a genuine enterprise-grade storage solution. And the best part? It does it without that nasty enterprise price tag.
Now, I want you to think about your current setup for a moment. Is your business data actually safe? Honestly, way too many IT managers and small businesses are relying on scattered external hard drives or just basic consumer-level network storage. And sure, those ad hoc solutions might seem super easy in the short term, but they completely lack the reliability, the data protection, and the disaster recovery features that a growing business genuinely needs to survive a hardware failure or, say, a ransomware attack.
Okay, let's dive into this and map out how to actually solve this problem. Our agenda for today: 1. The SME storage trap. 2. Enter TrueNAS. 3. The power of ZFS. 4. A real-world success story. 5. Limitations and learning curves. And 6. Migration and final verdict.
Section 1. The SME storage trap. High costs versus high risks.
The situation we're looking at is the impossible choice so many businesses are stuck in today. It's really like being caught between a rock and a hard place. On one hand, you've got your traditional enterprise network-attached storage appliances. Think of the big vendors like NetApp or Dell EMC. Now, these give you incredible reliability, advanced RAID, replication, the whole shebang. But they're going to cost you several $1,000s for even modest capacity, not to mention those expensive ongoing support licenses. On the flip side, you have consumer drives. They're cheap, there's zero licensing, but there is an extremely high risk of data loss. Because the big guys lock those advanced data protection features behind expensive enterprise tiers, small and medium enterprises are essentially forced into this really dangerous reliance on consumer-grade gear.
Section 2. Enter TrueNAS, the enterprise equalizer.
TrueNAS is the platform that perfectly bridges this massive gap in the market. You might actually know it by its old name, FreeNAS, which has been in active development since way back in 2005. At its core, it's a free, open-source network storage platform. But here's the kicker. It installs directly onto hardware that you provide. So whether that's an old repurposed server you have lying around or a brand new purpose-built system, TrueNAS transforms it into a full-featured network storage appliance. It seamlessly supports all your standard file sharing protocols, like SMB, NFS, and AFP, across Windows, macOS, and Linux, all while giving you those enterprise-level backups and data protection.
So the crucial point we really need to emphasize here is the core licensing cost. It is exactly $0. Zilch. You just pay for the hardware you want to use, and TrueNAS handles genuine enterprise-grade data protection totally for free. There's no sneaky separate hosting fee or mandatory subscription required for their core editions.
Now, if you're wondering which version to actually use, TrueNAS offers two distinct free editions. First, there's TrueNAS Core. This one is built on FreeBSD, and it maintains a very traditional, highly stable NAS focus. Then, on the other side, you have TrueNAS Scale. Scale is built on Linux, and it extends the platform by adding in extra virtualization and container capabilities. So if you're already running some virtualized infrastructure, like Proxmox VE, for example, TrueNAS Scale is a really natural complementary storage backend that just integrates beautifully with those types of environments.
Section 3. The power of ZFS, the engine under the hood.
If we think of TrueNAS as the shiny new vehicle, ZFS is the incredibly robust engine making the whole thing go. ZFS is a highly robust file system that was engineered from the absolute ground up for exceptional data integrity. What truly sets it apart from the rest is its ability to automatically detect and correct silent data corruption. I like to think of it as this obsessive-compulsive spell checker for your data that actually works. It essentially guarantees that a file you save today is the exact same uncorrupted file you open 5 years from now.
And this underlying technology gives you 3 very real-world superpowers. First up, continuous data integrity checking, like we just talked about. Second, point-in-time snapshots. This lets you capture these read-only copies of your data at very specific moments in time. And because these snapshots are strictly read-only, ransomware typically cannot modify them. That means if you get hit, you literally just roll back the system to right before the attack happened. Pretty amazing, right? And third, built-in replication. This allows you to easily copy your data over to a secondary location, giving you genuine business continuity and disaster recovery.
Section 4. A real-world success story. A growing design agency. Okay,
Abstract technical concepts are great and all, but let's anchor this with a concrete, real-world example. We looked at a design agency that was previously storing massive client project files across this messy bunch of scattered external hard drives. They had absolutely zero formal backup strategy. Yikes, right? Well, after deploying TrueNAS on a dedicated server, they actually had a near miss, and this brilliantly illustrates the power of the platform. Basically, ZFS's continuous integrity checking caught a developing hard drive issue in the background. It proactively alerted the IT team to replace the failing drive before a single byte of precious client data was actually lost. No way that happens with an off-the-shelf external drive.
By finally ditching their ad hoc approach, look at the exact disaster recovery upgrades this agency actually gained. They now have centralized, highly reliable file storage for the whole team. They have those automatic snapshots we talked about, so if a designer accidentally deletes a crucial rendering, boom, it can be restored in seconds. And they configured replication to a secondary location off-site. They finally have genuine disaster recovery capabilities that they literally never could have achieved with those scattered external hard drives.
Section 5. Limitations and Learning Curves. The Reality Check.
Of course, I've got to be honest with you, it's not just pure magic. Running enterprise-grade infrastructure on your own hardware means you actually have to know what you're doing. So here's the reality check and some common mistakes you absolutely must avoid. First, ZFS does have a steep learning curve. You really need to understand storage architecture concepts before you just start clicking buttons in the interface. Second, there are strict hardware requirements. Whatever you do, do not underestimate the memory requirements. Having adequate RAM is absolutely crucial for reliable ZFS performance at scale. And finally, pool expansion isn't as simple as just grabbing a new hard drive and plugging it in whenever you run out of space. Expanding your storage capacity requires a firm understanding of ZFS's specific expansion rules to avoid some pretty nasty configuration pitfalls.
Section 6, Migration and Final Verdict. Making the move.
So if you're sitting there ready to finally ditch your consumer-grade solutions, here is your actionable roadmap to get started. Step 1. Carefully plan your ZFS pool structure and RAID configuration first. Measure twice, cut once. Step 2. Test your backup and snapshot recovery procedures on a very small subset of data. You want to do this before an actual incident occurs, obviously. Step 3. Run parallel access to both your old and new storage briefly, just to ensure a totally smooth transition for your team. And Step 4. Complete the full file migration. Honestly, most small and medium businesses can comfortably complete this entire transition within about 3 to 6 weeks.
Which brings us to our final verdict. To quote our source material directly, for SMEs where data loss would be genuinely costly, ZFS-based integrity protection is TrueNAS's most compelling differentiator. Look, it does require some architecture knowledge up front, for sure. But when you look at the functionality per dollar spent, getting this exact level of enterprise data protection at zero core licensing cost is just an absolutely exceptional value.
So I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. Is your data actually worth the upgrade? Because if your business is still relying on scattered drives with zero formal integrity protection, TrueNAS offers you a completely free, proven path to the enterprise tier. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Make sure to keep following along with our free and open source software for SMEs series, because in our next explainer, we're going to tackle how to keep a close eye on all this new infrastructure using Zabbix monitoring. See you then.